To integrate your Coinbase wallet with Debank, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have a Coinbase wallet and a Debank account. If you don't have a Debank account, create one by going to the Debank website and following the sign-up process. Once you have both accounts, go to the Debank website and log into your account. Click on the Add Wallet button and select Coinbase from the list of available wallets. You will be redirected to the Coinbase website where you will be prompted to enter your Coinbase login credentials. After logging into your Coinbase account, you will be asked to authorize Debank to access your Coinbase wallet. This authorization is necessary for Debank to be able to track your wallet balances and transactions. Read the authorization request carefully and click Agree to proceed. You will be redirected back to the Debank website where you will see your Coinbase wallet listed. Click on the wallet to view its details, including the balance and transaction history. You can also use Debank to track your wallet balances and transactions across multiple blockchain platforms. To get the most out of the integration, make sure to explore the various features and tools offered by Debank, such as portfolio tracking and transaction analysis. By following these steps and using Debank to track your Coinbase wallet, you can gain a better understanding of your cryptocurrency holdings and make more informed investment decisions. It is also important to note that you should only integrate your Coinbase wallet with Debank if you trust the platform and understand the risks involved. Always prioritize the security of your cryptocurrency holdings and take necessary precautions to protect your accounts and wallets.